In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Pipedrive. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can manage your sales pipeline more effectively. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. This is your go-to hub for all things related to Pipedrive. Once you're there, let's look for the Login button. Clicking it will take you to the Pipedrive login page where you need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, and go ahead and log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Pipedrive homepage. This is the central hub of your sales activities, where you can access various features and tools available on Pipedrive. Today, since we're focusing on adding products, our next step is to go to the Products section. This is the area where all your products are managed, and it helps keep everything organized in one place. After you've navigated to the Products section, look for the Product tab. Clicking on it will provide you with an overview of all existing products, and more importantly, give you the option to add new ones. Now, we're ready to add a product, so click on the Add Product button. This will open a new interface where you can input all the relevant details about the product you're adding. This includes the product name, code, price, and any other details that are important for your sales tracking. Take your time to fill in these fields carefully, as having accurate product details is critical for managing your sales pipeline effectively. When you've entered all the necessary information, the last step is to click on the Save button. This will ensure that your new product details are stored in the system and accessible to your sales team. It's as simple as that, and you've now successfully added a product to Pipedrive. Remember, managing your product list effectively can really enhance your sales process by providing a clear overview and easy management of your offerings. Take advantage of this feature to keep your sales efforts streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you understand how to add products in Pipedrive. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and guides on using Pipedrive effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.